In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set security question on Fiverr. This quick walkthrough will help you add an extra layer of protection to your account, so even if you forget your password or need to verify your identity, you're covered. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. From the results, click the official Fiverr website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on Fiverr, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. A menu will appear. Choose Account Settings to open the main settings page. On that page, find and select Account Security. This is where Fiverr groups all the tools that help keep your account safe. Scroll until you see the section labeled Security Question. Click the Edit button to begin. You'll see an option to set your security question. Open the drop-down to select a question from the list. Pick something you'll remember in a year or two, but that's not easy for others to guess. For example, avoid answers that someone could find on your social media, or guess with a quick search. Now, type your answer in the field provided. Use a response that's memorable to you, but not obvious to others. Consider adding a private twist only you will remember, like a custom format or a detail known only to you. Be mindful of capitalization, spelling, and punctuation, because some systems treat these details as part of the correct answer. If your answer uses numbers or special characters in a way that makes sense to you, that can make it even stronger. If you use a password manager, it's a good idea to save the exact wording there so you never forget it. When you're ready, click Submit. Wait a moment for the confirmation. You should see that your security question is now set. If you receive any prompt to verify changes, follow the on-screen instructions and complete that verification. After submitting, take a second to confirm everything looks correct on the account security page. If something didn't save, refresh the page and try again. If you run into issues, switching browsers or clearing your cache can help. As a best practice, keep your recovery email and phone details up to date, and consider enabling additional security tools available in this section to further protect your account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set your security question on Fiverr, giving your account a safer, more reliable recovery option for the future.